In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use dynamic blocks in AutoCAD. Dynamic blocks let you modify a block's size, position, and other properties without creating multiple block versions. To begin, press Ctrl+3 to open the Tool Palettes window. Select a dynamic block, such as a door, and place it into your drawing. Click the block to display its grips and arrows. These controls allow you to adjust properties such as direction, rotation, and size. Simply click and drag the grips to make changes. Dynamic blocks are useful because they save time, reduce the number of blocks you need, and help keep drawings organized. They're commonly used for doors, windows, and other frequently repeated objects. You can experiment with different grip controls to see what options are available for each block. This flexibility makes dynamic blocks a powerful tool for speeding up your drafting workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting in AutoCAD.